This video is about removing the browser notifications and scary alerts that are related to the site TotalDataSecurityService.com. TotalDataSecurityService.com is a deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead you with many faulty messages, trying to encourage you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. The pop-up indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. It may also claim to be related to some decent security program, but in reality they are not associated with any decent security program, and if you click on the Proceed Now button, you may be brought to some other shady websites that may encourage you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. So please be careful, don't ever interact with these pop-ups by the site TotalDataSecurityService.com. As I said, these pop-ups may be the result of some adware enabled in the system, so we recommend you to carefully research the control panel and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. We also recommend that you research your system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. And the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Using this green button, download the program, install it, and start researching your system to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.